Hi all! In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to add Quillscript to your project. Quillscript works out of the box, which means you don't have to do any specific setup for it. As soon as it is added to the project, it is already working. Let's start by opening the Epic Games Launcher and go the Vault. To proceed, navigate to the Search Vault, type Quillscript, add it to the desired engine version, and wait for the installation process to complete. Upon completion, you are now ready to initiate your engine. With your project started, go to Edit, Plugins Installed, and activate Quillscript. You will be asked to restart immediately. Now, you can see that Quillscript is enabled to your project. Let's now create our first script. Let's minimize the engine and go back to Files Explorer. In our project directory, create a new folder called Scripts. Feel free to assign any name that suits your preference to this folder and position it at any location of your choosing inside the project directory. Now, within the Scripts folder, let's proceed to generate a fresh plain text file. Let's call it MyScript and give it the QSC extension for Quillscript. It's through the extension that Unreal Engine recognized this as a Quillscript file. With the file now open, we can now write our first script. Let's just write a simple line of dialogue. Lines of dialogue begin with a dash. The period is to say that it is a text from the narrator. On the second line, we add the dialogue, "Hello world." Please ensure you have saved your document. Then, proceed to navigate back to the directory in which your file is presently stored. And simply drag the file over, then drop it directly into the content browser. You will see that a script file has been created within your project. Save this file right away. The first save is important. And now you can go to Open Level Blueprint. And for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to start the script along with the Begin Play event of the open level. But you can start a script wherever you want. It can be a click of a button, an overlap in an event, etc. Let's call the Play Script node and ask it to run our newly created script. Save and compile if necessary. And as you engage with the game, you will observe your script coming to life. Yet, the phrase "Hello World" is essentially nothing beyond simple characters on a screen. Without difficulty, you can initiate crafting conversations right off the bat. Like this instance. Bob, "Hey Alice, how are you?" And Alice can reply, "Hi Bob, I'm fine." If you go back to the editor, you will notice that the dialogue appears immediately. You don't need to play the game again or even reload the files. Everything is done for you automatically and you can keep writing without interruptions. And so you create a simple dialogue within Quillscript and it is ready to run in your project.